here that natural gas, which is methane, carbon tetrahydride, CH4, burns in oxygen and produces carbon dioxide and water. Now let's move on to the worksheet that has been stapled and provided to you in the copies. If someone does not have the worksheet, which is not going to be the case hopefully, you can copy these questions yourself. So now go ahead and on question number 6 of your worksheet, there is explained briefly and give examples for the following. And from book page 164 onwards, just like I have discussed, you can take help from the book and you have to explain what is thermal decomposition, what is combination reaction, what is a combustion reaction, and you have to also have to write fossil fuels, how they burn. So don't just write the definitions, and also give examples with the help of word equations. Or if you want to write the symbolic equations, that's also acceptable. Now moving on to the next important, you could say, topic, which is the working of internal combustion engine. So let's see how a combustion engine of a car works. So this is a very important, you could say, video that will help you visualize. This is a car engine, okay? This is how a car engine looks like, or a motorcycle engine. So basically there is a piston, crankshaft and all these. So this is the same diagram as it has been made on your book page 167. This is the same diagram. There's a spark plug, there's an exhaust gases, piston, crankshaft and fuel air mixtures. So when you actually look at this engine, let me play the video again. So it's the same kind here. So this is basically this stroke here. This is a stroke cycle and this is a spark ignition. So as you can see, the cylinder moves up and down, and when it moves down, you can see this part of the piston, or you could say the engine, is moving down. When this moves down, the air gets into this area, and when it moves up, it compresses the air. With the ignition of the plug, causes a spark and blast, producing energy to drive the wheels. See, this is the cylinder, this is the piston, and an electrical spark ignites the compressed gasoline and causes this cylinder to push down. That's how it gives the energy, and this, when moves down, this basically rotates your wheels. Your wheels are over here. So this is how a car works basically. So if you can see over here, that's how your wheels start to rotate. This is the animation, okay? So basically the air is drawn inside and oxygen, and burning takes place, and combustion releases energy, pushing the cylinder down to rotate the crankshaft, causing the wheels to move. Now hopefully this has been clarified. Moving on, this is a question regarding question 7 of your worksheet. Combustion takes place in the internal combustion engine of a car. What is burnt in the engine to release energy for the car to move? Can it burn without air or oxygen? Kindly please go ahead and answer this yourself. And question number 8, why is natural gas a cleaner fuel? I've already answered this previously in the video. So before we move on, we will take this to the next video.